Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Bitcoin update today. It's not Bitcoin update today, SHIB update, but what I would say is that I have made a Bitcoin update talking about halving, because halving is tomorrow. So I decided I'm going to make a video for you, especially analyzing what happened for the past 11 years with Bitcoin, because we had three different halving back in 2012, back in 2016, back in 2020. And what happened before halving? How much did you drop before halving? And especially what happened after halving, and what you can expect in tomorrow's halving, and what you can expect after this year's 2024 halving. So I want you to go to the channel because that's what really matters at the moment. Everyone is talking about the halving. No one is, and I'm interested personally because I am a huge crypto guy. I've been making videos for crypto. You know my work. You've seen my work. And since I'm in crypto, I am excited for halving, because I'm even excited for the fact that Bitcoin is dumping before halving so that some people may buy. Some people want to buy, all right? Don't get me wrong. Just because the market isn't going your way doesn't mean that other people don't want to buy. Some people missed entries. Some people didn't really buy cheap. Now, let's say you get SHIB down to 1376 one more time. What's really wrong about it? I'm still very bullish on SHIB. I am bullish on SHIB, and I have my own reasons why. Because I'm not looking at 4-hour time frame as most of the people do and stuff like that. I look at bigger pictures. I tend to see what happens in the long run. Now, if SHIB decides to drop down to 1353, I'm still okay with it, to be honest with you. I think it's another big test of a support. But I want to tell you one thing. If SHIB does make it down, because you have this little bit of a pattern that is making trouble, and also look at Bitcoin, because there's something negative about Bitcoin, I have to say, unfortunately. So do watch that one. But what is really interesting is what happens after everything is said and done. What happens after all the negative things happen and they're wrapped up from the market. Now, the thing is that I can expect SHIB to come down and also consolidate for the next 2 months, probably 2 months, okay? It could be really, really boring with some little bits of, pump up and down and pumps up and down. But if you ask me honestly, not a financial advice, but honestly, if you ask me a friendly recommendation, I think buying SHIB at 1411 or 1353 is really, 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 really cheap, okay? Especially for the people who never really got cheap entries. I think it's going to be the cheapest entry that we've ever seen. So that's all for the video. What's the Bitcoin update? I'm telling you again and again, it's just so that important. And I'm going to see you the next one in the office.